How to sign in to Ryanair. So here is a clear guide to logging into your My Ryanair account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is visit the ryanair.com or simply type down the Ryanair login for the easy access. Then navigate to the My Ryanair website. Here, click on the login button available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the login, you will have to enter your email and password, then simply click on the sign in or login button available there. But if you have already logged in with Google, Facebook, or PayPal, then click the respective button instead. So here I am simply continuing with my Google. So once you tap on it, you will be continued with your Google account and follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Ryanair account. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.